Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim Babatunde from Data Tech Analytics. In this video, we're going to walk you through Python, and we're going to analyze this small data based on sales. As you can see it, we have monthly sales, and we have the number of customers who purchase our goods in a particular month. As we can see it now, what do you want to do here? We want to see the difference, okay, in sales between one month and the subsequent month, so that we can see the performance, and also we are also going to see the percentage change, okay, in the sales over the month, so that we can see the month where we have decline in sales, and also the month where we have increase in sales. Okay, you can see the data. This is data. I've imported it. It's an Excel. Okay, I've used my pandas library to import this data, as you can see it, and I've used my pd.read underscore set and the name of that data and the file extension, which is xls. Okay, and I've named this file, okay, as sys info, and I've called it, and I have this. Now I want to see the difference, so that if I say in February, now if I deduct this 2000 from this 1592, then what will be the result? Okay, and we can see that, okay, we have increase in sales between January and February. Okay, and if you also look at this March, you can see that 2500 from okay, sorry, we will say 2000 difference between this 2000 and 2005, that is we deduct this 2000 from 2500, and you can see that we will have 500, and by implication we can see that the sales increase by 500 here. Okay, now let's use this method is something referred to as function in Python. Anyway, don't be confused. Okay, to see the difference. Okay, and to do that, if you have not used this before, then you will learn it and you will know it. Next time you can see how you can use the difference between a particular month and the subsequent month. Okay, now let's see it. But the name of my data is sales info. Okay, I will just say sales underscore info. Okay, now you will now say okay, let me use this brace bracket. Okay, then the column I want to work on now, I want to find the difference, that is 6. Okay, you will now put 6, and you have to put it, or you have to quote it. Okay, you will now say 6. Now I have it. If I want this alone, I'm going to have the sales column. Okay, it will return only sales column for me. Let me try to run this. Okay, you can see that I have the only sales column, but I still want to do something in that in this sales column. What I want to do, I want to find the difference. I will now say dot difference method. I pass this and I put this. Okay, let me run it. You can see that I have the difference. If you look at it now, you will see that the difference between our sales, okay, in the first month we don't have any difference, okay, because that is January. But if you look at the February now, you will see that the difference is 408. Okay, from the from the January to February, then we have increased our sales by 408 any currency. It might be either in naira or in dollar, or if it is quantity, I don't know. Okay, it depends on the unit where that sales is. Okay, as you can see it, but this is not neat enough. Okay, it is not readable enough. Some people might not know what I'm talking about. As a result of that, I can attach another column to that my original data. Okay, and to attach new column to that original data, what I will do now is just to call this the name of my table is sales info. I will just say sales underscore info. Okay, sales info. Then I use this space bracket as well. Then I have to name this as difference. Okay, let me name, but I have to put it in form of this difference. As we can see it, let me close this. and close this parenthesis as well, and you equate it like this. As you can see it now, if I run this now, you will see what will happen, and you will see that it will look more interesting. Okay, let me run it. Okay, now I will now call, I've already run it and it has successful, and I will now call my sales info back. Let me call my sales infos. Okay, sales underscore info. Okay, then let me run it. Can you see what I have now? I have it in form of month, customer, sales, and you can see the difference. Okay, you can see that I had this difference in a single column before, but now you can see that between January and February, then we have increased our sales by 408, and between February and March our sales has increased by 500, and between March and April you can see that our sales has increased by 1050, and in May you can see that it increases by 150, and in the month of June, between May and June, then our sales drop by how much? By 500. As you can see it, whenever you see the negative attached to it, any number like this, you can see that okay, that is a decline. As you can see it. Okay, let's see other month we have decline. Then we also have decline in month of November and December, as we can see it now. Let's now do the difference. Okay, I want to do the difference now. I need the difference to see the difference. Okay, I need the percentage difference. Okay, now percentage change, I mean, let me now write another code. Okay, let me copy this, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, that is my sales info. I have my sales info as this. I will now say I want to do dot what? Okay, I need percentage change. So the percentage change, let me do it this way. You will just say bct dot p sorry, you have to look at the column. Okay, you want to do the percentage on. Okay, and the column is just the sales. Okay, you will now put this, then you go to this, then I'll say sales. Okay, sales column, the same column. Then I will now say dot what? Dot pct underscore change, change. As you can see it, then is also a method. Okay, say function, you do something like this, then you run it. Okay, as we can see it, I have the percentage change like this. Now I also want to see my percentage change together with other columns. To do that is very easy. Then I will repeat the same thing. I will just say equal to, then let me write this, Ctrl V, that is my original data. Then you put this, then I want to call this you call it percentage, sorry, let me give it capital letter, percentage, okay, underscore change. Okay, then let me close my parentheses and let me close my this bracket. As you can see it, then you will see what we have now. Where is that error? Percentage change, sales info dot percentage change, to error. Where is that error? Okay, I did not put the opening quotation. As we can see it, let me run it, and everything is fine. Now let me now recall my sales info, sales underscore info. Okay, see what will happen. As you can see it, I have my percentage change now. As you can see that between the month of January and February, our sales has increased by 25%. As we can see it now, I want to change this, okay, to 2 decimal place. This percentage, I want to take it to 2 decimal place. Okay, and to take it to 2 decimal place, let me continue my query, sorry, not SQL. Let me continue my code here. I will just say dot, okay, rand is used to do the to customize your decimal place. Then let me put to decimal place. Then let me do it this way. Then let me run this. Okay, then you can see that I have it in two decimal place now, as we can see it. Now you can see that I have not available number here, not available number, that is none. Okay, not available number. Then I want to fill it. I don't want to have it because you can see that this is something like a text. Then and whenever you want to clear your data, there's something we can do. Okay, I want to fill this now with 0. Okay, because they are actually 0. Then I can easily come here and say dot fill now is also a method. Then I want to pass some argument, that is whenever you see fill now, then put 0. Let me run this. As you can see it, I have it, okay, as 0, as we can see it. Now you can see that, okay, we have decline in sales by 14%, okay, between month of May and June, as we can see it. Okay, let's see. Okay, in month of between October and November, we also have decline in sale by 19%. Also in December, the thing getting worse. You can see that our sales also dropped by 23%, as you can see it. Now let me now assume that I want to know the month where we have a drop in sales. Okay, I want to filter that month. You know, in Microsoft Excel I will just filter it based on this negative stuff. Okay, but here with a single query I can achieve that. And to do that, okay, this is what I will do to achieve that. Okay, I will just say sales, okay, dot, okay, no, it says info, that is name of my original data, sales underscore info, okay, dot, I will say so I use dot, okay, don't let me use, oh yes, I can make use of dot log is for filter, okay, to look for something, okay, or whenever you want to filter something, or you want to look at a particular item, okay, specified item, then we make use of log. Okay, now I will now use this. Then you will repeat the original name of your data, which is sales info, okay, sales info, as we can see it. Okay, then I'll repeat this. Then which column I want to look into, it is percentage change column. Then I'll put this percentage underscore change, as we can see it. Then whenever I have this column and I have anything less than 0, you can see that anything that will less than 0 will be just the negative stuff. Okay, I will just say less than 0. Okay, now let me run this. As we can see it, I have the month where we have decline in sales. Okay, you can see the difference in sales, and we can also see the percentage change in sales. Between month of May and June, you can see that we have decline by 14%, and between month of October and November, you can see that we have decline of 19%, and between month of November to December, we have decline in sales by 23%. As you can see it, with all these small code, then we have done a lot of things, and we have done a great analysis. I believe that you have found this video useful. If you do, you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, and therefore to do so, that is only price you can pay for this knowledge. Till next time we meet, I remain Ibrahim Babatunde for Data Tech Analytics. Bye for now.